Hi, I'm Shahy and welcome to Shahy's Easy English. Today we were looking at different ways to say I like and I don't like. Okay. If you like something, you might say yes, I like it, or maybe you don't like it. There are different ways of saying it. If we keep saying I like, yes, I like it, or I don't like it, it can be very monotonous or boring. So let's look at what questions we can ask to get these replies. Let's see what we can ask to know somebody's opinion, if they like something or they don't like it, and the different replies we can use. So let's do this. First question is, do you fancy? Which means, would you like to? Do you fancy going to the beach? Yes, I'd love to. Yes, I like the beach. That means absolutely, which means yes, I'll pass. Thanks. No, thank you. Which also means I don't like to and I don't want to come with you, okay? Do you like the beach? I definitely do, but I am very far from the beach. Next question is, do you prefer to watch Harry Potter or Aladdin? You can say, I'm not a fan of those movies. I hate them. Okay, which means I don't like them at all, or I abhor Harry Potter, which I hate it. You absolutely hate something, that means you abhor it, okay? I love it. I love them both. They're fantastic movies, okay? Or you can say, yeah, actually, you know what? They are my favorite movies. I love watching both of them. You can even say, I'm more into horror movies, which means, you know what? I don't like both of them. I prefer watching horror movies. I don't really like watching horror movies. What about you? Do you? Do you prefer to watch horror movies too? Fantasy movies or sci-fi movies? If you want to know more about how to talk about movies, then I've put the link in the description below. You can ask, what do you think? What do you think about? What do you think about people with bad manners? I think they are horrendous. I can't stand them. Okay, that means I hate them. You know, I don't really care. I neither hate them nor like them. I don't care about them because I care about my manners. The next question is, do you like social media? Are you fond of social media? Yeah, I'm addicted to social media. You might say, I'm not really fond of it. Somebody might say, I don't really like social media. Actually, I don't have any social media accounts. Some people might say this. If somebody's expressing a preference like the weather, if the weather is bad, somebody might say, I'm sick and tired of this bad weather. If you're sick and tired of something, it means you hate it and you are tired of it. You can express your like or dislike when somebody requests something. Like if they say, would you like to go to the park? And you can say, yeah, sounds good. If somebody asks you if you want to set, you can say, it's totally my thing. If you say, do you like aeroplanes? I can say yes, but not when I'm filming. Sometimes people want your opinion or they want to express their own opinion and they say, don't you just love it? Maybe they have an outfit and they say, don't you just love it? Or it's a house. Don't you just love it? And you can say, yeah, totally, absolutely. Or you can say, well, not really, it's not my thing. So you can be mad about something, crazy about something. You can even say, oh, do you like this park? I always come to it. I adore it. It's absolutely, more than love it. I adore it here. Okay. It might be a new place. It might be a new place and you say, oh, I adore your new home. It's absolutely gorgeous. You can hear the birds in the background. Can you hear them now? Well, it's a lovely sunny day after all these cold days. And it's actually the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And you can let me know in the comments below what you like and what you don't like. And you can practice the new vocabulary. Don't forget to check out the links below and they are there to help you learn and improve your English so you can speak like a native. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Take care and see you soon. Bye for now.